Okay, let's check our work. So on G, 3 and 946, I need to make it end in the thousandths. There are 3 spots. I'm just going to fill that in. This is 3 and 946 thousandths. I'll record that here. 3 and 946 thousandths. H would be 200 and now I have 904. That also needs to end in the thousands. Again, 3 numbers, 3 spots. 904 ends in the thousandths. How'd that go? There we go. Now let's take a look. Let's go the opposite way. So we're going to be given the decimal, and we have to write it in standard form, or sorry, unit form. So B, let's write that number on our place value chart. 11.037. Okay. First, let's do our whole numbers. What is that number? 1. It's not normally how I say it. That would be 11. Let's write that. Spelling doesn't count. Not for something that's not on here already. So that's 11. Then the next part is our decimal. What was that word that meant decimal again? It was and. So I'm going to say 11 and now we just have to say what comes after. So first, what is this number? Ignore where it is. Just what is that? A 3 and a 7. 37. Let's write that in. 37. Now we just have to tell them where, because right now, if I didn't say anything else, 11 and 37 looks like this. I don't know where to put that 37. I'm just assuming maybe it goes first. So we have to say, where does it end? Where does it reach? So our last number here goes all the way to this column. What is that column? It's our thousandths. I'm going to say 37 thousandths. Remember, this word is written here. No reason to spell it wrong. All right, let's do one last one together. I want you to try it by yourself first. 403 decimal 608. I find it helps write on the place value chart. So pause for a second, see if you can write it out correctly, and we'll check together. Okay, did you finish solving? So everything before the decimal, what is that number? 403. Don't use the word and. This is not 403, because and in math really means the decimal. So if you have an and in there, I want you to cross it out. This is 403. 403. What's the math word for our decimal? And. Now, what number is this that comes after my decimal? 608. How would you say that? This is 608, not 608. We already used and. And is only for the decimal. Cross it out if you wrote it. So this is 608. Where is that ending? Goes to this column here. This is thousandths. So again, we have 403 and 608 thousandths. We're getting good at this, guys. All right. The very last thing is so similar to what we've already done. So I want you to try it out for yourself and then come back and check with me. So flip to number 3C. You are doing the exact same thing. This time you just have 5 digits you need to do. Some are in the whole numbers, some are decimals. So if it helps you, write it out. 57 and then 281. 57 decimal 281. So again, for expanded form, think back to what we did before. We said what number and where is it? What number and where is it? Those are the 2 questions I keep thinking to myself. I'll get you started. Starting on the left, what number is that? It's a 5. Where is it? It's in the tens. What comes next? All right, I want you to pause and then come back and watch to find out the answers and figure out what your assignment is for today. Great job, everybody.